When a ranch insurance policy covers animal drowning, will cattle killed by a snowstorm be covered? In this case, 93 cattle died in the open pasture during Winter Storm Atlas in October of 2013. A veterinarian examined several of the animals and determined the cause of death was drowning. They had large amounts of water in their bodies. The ranch owners made a claim under their insurance policy, specifically naming drowning as the cause of death. The insurance policy covered 12 specific perils, one being physical loss to cattle caused by drowning. The policy did not define drowning. The insurance company denied the claim because none of the 93 cattle were found submerged in water. The insurance company argued that the plain meaning of drowning is the deprivation of life by immersion in water or other liquid. The ranch owners argued that the drowning provision, not being defined, was ambiguous and should be construed in their favor. The ranch owners said that although submersion in water is typically thought of as drowning, the hallmark of drowning is not the presence of water outside the body, but rather it is caused by water or fluid within the body. How would you decide this case? Could the cattle have drowned without being submerged in water, and therefore the loss be covered under the policy? We'll be back in a moment with the answer. Could the cattle have drowned by having large amounts of water inside their bodies rather than being submerged in water? Yes, said the South Dakota Supreme Court. An ambiguous contractual insurance provision is construed in favor of the insured. The court agreed that drowning is susceptible of two reasonable interpretations, so the contract provision was ambiguous and should be found in the ranch owner's favor. The cattle were found to have clear liquid in all airways and running from their noses. The veterinarian concluded that during the storm, the cattle inhaled large amounts of rain and then snow, resulting in a lack of oxygen and eventually cardiac arrest and death. This amounted to drowning. The court found, based on the veterinarian's opinion, that the animals did drown and the cattle were covered by the insurance policy. Remember, it's a matter of law.